earlier this year, I posted on my Instagram that I'm having trouble with my chocolate cakes. Either the color is not as good as I'd like. My biggest challenge was either the cakes are not rising as well as I'm used to, or it's very crumbly. And already chocolate cakes are usually softer, like the sponge is much softer. So if it's very crumbly, it's very hard to work with. To the point where by December I was saying I'm taking chocolate cakes and any chocolate related anything from my menu because they're just not working out. And when I asked on my Instagram what people are using, one of the biggest recommendations was the baking cocos sold in cake shops, those alkanized ones. But I've tried all of them. My problem started around 2023 or 2024, so I've tried all of them, even that very expensive one. My experience, it would be fine when I buy this batch and then the next batch there's a problem. And I like to bulk shop. So buying little amounts to test and each time there's a problem was just hectic. And that's why I was saying I'm going to quit. And then on my stories I'd also been recommended a lot to try this Cadbury, this one. This used to be what I used when I started baking. I switched much because it's pricier than the ones sold in the cake shops, but then I never got to try it before I came to visit my brother. And when we were walking around the supermarket, I saw this one, Cadbury baking cocoa, and this is what we usually have at home, and this is what I saw in Australia. There's generally ingredient list, there's nothing different. It says this one is cocoa powder and this one just says ingredients cocoa powder, no difference other than the packaging. My experiment will be I'm going to make 6 cupcakes with this one and 6 cupcakes with this one to see if it's just the same and cocoa powder has just gone to, well, they've just ruined cocoa powder. I don't want to say a bad word. And yeah, so let's get baking. So I'm going to start with this one, the home cocoa. I was having a yap sesh at this point, but basically what I was saying was, if you're wondering why I carried this cocoa to end up being able to make this experiment, was my brother wanted brownies and he figured he should ask me to bring him cocoa powder so I can use it. And my sister's one who went shopping and this is the cocoa powder she ended up picking. Lucky me. So I'm done mixing the first batch. This is how it looks. This is the color. I've gotten 9 cupcakes. I'm going to bake them immediately instead of waiting for me to mix the other one and put them in, so that I make sure I've given both cocos a fair chance to give the same result, and baking them for 20 minutes. So now I'm going to do with this cocoa. I was using the same recipe I've always used. If you'd like any of my recipes, the link is in the bio, but I wanted to make sure I'm not creating a different recipe or trying to adjust anything, so that I see if any of the cocos is any different from the one I'm using. Finished mixing the second batch. First difference I'm noticing is the color. This one looks 100% lighter than the one from home, but I don't know. It might be because I've switched on the light, because it's about to rain and it's dark. Same amount, 33 grams, got 9 cupcakes. These are the ones from home. The second batch of cupcakes is done, and in as much as they both kinda rose the same, these look like they rose a bit better, but color wise the ones from home look much better, in my opinion. If I was selling, this is still not as dark as I like my chocolate cakes to be, but this color is much better than this one. So I was right, this cocoa powder is much lighter than the one from home. This is the Australian baking cocoa, and this is the one from home. And my brother said the difference is so subtle that he wouldn't have noticed if I didn't tell him, but that's how they look. This one is definitely darker, the one from home. This one is lighter in color, but from Rising Kufura, the one from here, the Australian baking cocoa, it rose much better compared to this one. And for taste, I was giving a taste test. So I've tried both, and honestly, the cocoa powder I came with the one from home tastes much better. This one, the chocolate cake, chocolate taste is very subtle compared to this one. This one you can tell it's a chocolate cake. This one I feel like I would need to add stuff to it for it to taste like chocolate, or I have to use more compared to what I used, because I did the same recipe for both of them. But this one definitely looks darker and tastes a bit chocolatey compared to this one. So that's it for this video, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye.